Hello. Welcome to Sunday Form. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. I find that it's somewhat easy to consider an animal, and therefore the animal's energies, the meanings of the animal, the metaphor that the animal serves in the role of teaching and reminding in the martial arts and culture. It's very easy to, think about the snake when you do snake creeps down. It's very easy to think about the crane when you do white crane spreads its wings. That you might not always do it, but if you're going to think about the crane, it's probably going to be when you get to white crane spreads its wings, and then when you, move on to fist under elbow or wave hands like clouds, you've forgotten the crane. Same with the snake or whatever other animals. Inspect horses' mouths. You'll think about the horse, perhaps. That's where you're more likely to think about the horse than somewhere else. But anyway, what I invite you to do is consider one animal and the qualities of that animal, what that animal represents. Maybe just a quality, certainly simpler that way, a quality of one animal, and see if you can look for that quality, that energy, that intention, that application throughout the form, so that we're not limiting the lessons of the animal to the move that bears the animal's name. And see how that goes for you. It's really a remarkable way to consider your whole form that I really rather enjoy. And that doesn't mean there's going to be an obvious snake move on every move, but maybe some of the qualities are going to be waiting for you to rediscover them. So thank you very much. Enjoy. And the human is an animal too.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.